Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheese sauce from cheese powder. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 1/2 cup of cheese powder, 1 cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of butter. Make sure you also have a medium saucepan, a whisk, and your measuring tools. Using whole milk is highly recommended for a truly rich and creamy sauce, but any milk will work. This quick guide will help you create a delicious sauce in just a few minutes. Now, let's start cooking. Begin by melting 2 tablespoons of butter in your saucepan over medium-low heat. Once the butter is fully melted, gradually whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. This combination creates what we call a roux, which is the thickening base for our sauce. Continue to cook this mixture for about 1 minute, stirring constantly until it turns a light golden color. This step is crucial for a smooth sauce. Next, we'll add the liquid. Slowly pour in 1 cup of milk, whisking continuously as you do so. This constant whisking is key to preventing any lumps from forming, ensuring a perfectly smooth sauce. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat, allowing it to thicken slightly. Once it reaches your desired consistency, remove the saucepan from the heat. This prepares it perfectly for the final ingredient. For the grand finale, it's time for the star ingredient. Stir in about 1/2 cup of your cheese powder until it is completely melted and the sauce is smooth and creamy. Taste and adjust the seasoning. Typically, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of black pepper are perfect. Your homemade cheese sauce is now ready. Serve it immediately over your favorite pasta, steamed vegetables, or even as a dip. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.